Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a way that you can make money by helping big corporations such as Pepsi and Unilever. Big corporations, helping them in consumer intelligence. In other words, finding out the reason why people would choose their product over other products and other companies' products and vice versa. And you'll be able to make some pretty good money doing this and helping these big corporations find out this human intelligence. Alrighty, guys, if this sounds interesting to you, stick around. We're going to get right in this video here right now. We're going to get started on it here right now. I'm going to come over here to this site right here, guys. Look up here in the address bar right here. It's called Streetbees.com. You see that? Streetbees.com. And what this site is, it's the world's first human intelligence platform. There are corporations that want to know the reasons and the whys why people would purchase their product over another company's product and vice versa. And they want to know because it will help them to build their business and attract more customers into their business. And in this way, we're going to show you how you can make money as well with this as well. Right now, let's learn a little bit about this. It says here, we capture real life moments at scale and in people's own words and drive your next growth opportunity with our artificial intelligence powered analysis. And you can see right here, we help the world's largest companies find the hidden why. In other words, why would somebody choose another product over their products and vice versa. And as you can see, they work with, like I told you, Unilever, Pepsi, Sony, and Dan One, Carlsberg, just to name a few here of the big corporations that they provide this intelligence to help them increase their products value and so on and so forth. So if we kind of come down here, there's a lot to show you here on this page, guys. But one thing I wanted to tell you is gives you a little bit more detail right here. It says our human intelligence platform led by consumers. So that's everyday people like you and me that are out in the grocery stores or whatever store you may be, in a mall, in a store or something like that, and they want to know why you would choose a certain product over another product and why other people do the same, right? So it says right here, our platform brings data to life from our 3.5 million bees around the world. We address your strategic objectives and through our platform help you uncover the most authentic customer insights. And we give you the keys to embed the platform within your business so there is one source of truth when it comes to understanding your customers' emotions, behavior, and the context behind the why. In other words, why do they do this? Why do they purchase this? Why do they purchase that? What motivates them to purchase this and purchase that, and so on and so forth. These companies really want to know all this information because it will help them to increase the value of their products and help them in the long run to make more money, right? And you can be a part of this today and make money yourself. And it comes down, there's a lot to read and a lot to see on this site, guys. You can certainly come and look at this yourself and be a part of this site here as well and read this information. But we want to understand how we can make money, right, doing this right here. Well, what you want to do is come over to this site right here, and I haven't found a link to this site on the primary site here. I just happened to see this after doing a search for it, and it's this site right here. So make sure that you see this in the address bar right here, guys. It's streetbees.com. Become a bee, and you can see a little bit more about this. This is done through an application on your phone that you can download it from the iOS App Store and the Google Play for your Android, and so on. So it talks about here, just become a bee, and it says, got a spare few minutes? Fancy earning cash rewards for answering questions about what you're up to? Download the Streetbees app and become a bee today. And we're buzzing to have you, it says here. Download the Streetbees, and I'll show you the app here in just a moment, guys. And you can see the companies again that are wanting our opinions, yours and my opinions. And guys, this is all free to do. This should be able to be done from anywhere in the world that you can access the application at, right? And it says, what is Streetbees? Streetbees mobile app allows brands to truly understand the consumer by using the stories, photos, and videos you share with us. We provide brands with live insight into how you think about and use their products. See, guys, these companies want to know why and what drives you and what motivates you to choose a certain product over another product and these types of things. These companies want to know this information, and you can get paid to help them do that. So see, it says right here how it works. It says simply download the app and then create an account and then work with it and get paid. So download the Streetbees app on your smartphone, create a B account, and don't forget to add your PayPal. That's right, guys, they will pay you via PayPal. So you want to make sure that you have a PayPal account, and that way you'll get paid. And I'd use that same email that you set up your PayPal account with at paypal.com to create your account in this application to become a Streetbee. All right, make sure that you do that. It'll help you make sure there's no discrepancies about you getting paid. All right, and then it's as simply as get paid is select the story and respond to the chat style questions in as much detail as you can. You can take photos and even videos where it's possible to do that, or whenever you want, and send that to and get paid. Which also here, by the way, guys, I did want to mention to you, if this is your first time here to my videos and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, well, anytime during the video here that you're getting value out of it, reach down there and become a subscriber on my channel. Just click that subscribe button and click the little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified when I upload new videos, okay? Also, anytime during the video you're getting some value out of it, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you would. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm as well. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get back to this. So what you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to get the application. It talks a little bit more about that, and it even shows some Streetbees and numbers here. Stories available this month already is 6,800. Questions have been answered this week, over 2 million, and photos uploaded today so far is 4,142. So you can see that there's people out there, and you're going to see that this app is very well liked by many people, guys. So download the app and so on and so forth. So I've loaded it up right here, guys, on the Google Play Store. You can see it right here. It's Streetbees app, and you can see that it's got a 4.5 star rating, guys, right here. 4.5 star rating out of 104,000 reviews, guys. People absolutely love being a Streetbee, and we can see one person's testimony right here. Jennifer, she says, so far I've earned $60. Some surveys pay out higher than others. I just wish the surveys were worth more. I haven't had any issues with them paying me. Goes straight into my PayPal account. The highest paying survey I've ever had was $8 and I was approved for payment. Sometimes my surveys are rejected, but that's okay though, she says. There are always another one coming. And she goes, I don't know why others aren't getting payments, but don't let it discourage you. I mean, it's free money, guys. It's easy to do while commuting and being out at your stores, or when you're out shopping with your family, or wherever you're at. You can do this. And here's some of the photographs of it, guys. Get paid to chat. That's pretty cool. And you get to share your thoughts and take pictures and earn cash. And then it talks about right here is earn cash quickly. There's no minimum payout to your PayPal account, it says, guys. And then your opinions change brands. So they really want your opinion. These companies want to know what you think, and they're going to pay you to do that. So right down here it talks about here, if we bring this up here, it says not your standard survey app. Share moments of your everyday lives with us and get paid up to $5 each time you do it. So can you make a lot of money with this? Well, it says right here, and get paid up to $5 every time you use the app, right? So I guess the question becomes is how often are you going to use the app, right? How much of this are you going to do in this information you're going to send in to help these big companies? So it makes sense that the more you use the app, well, the more money you're going to make doing this, right? That's what I'm seeing right here, guys. So from hobbies to what you snack on to the technology you use, we want to know what you're up to. You can share as much or as little as you like. You're in complete control. And then it talks a little bit about how it works and stuff like that. So guys, come over here today And it talks even here about your safety. If you're worried about your safety in terms of security of your information, it talks about it right here. Safety starts with understanding how developers collect and share your data. And you can read a little bit about that right here as well. So guys, that is what I wanted to show you today in today's video. You can come over here today and get signed up and become a street bee and get paid for helping companies, big corporations and companies, understand why you choose the things you do in all kinds of other little ways, such as getting paid to chat right here, which I didn't see on the other page over here about that. Guys, that's the video I had for you today. Come over today and get started on that. And if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and leave any comments down below if you have them there, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, I've got a link down there in the top of my description, guys, where it says mentorwithkev.com. Click on that, come over and watch my free video presentation that'll show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer in affiliate marketing. Alrighty, well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you here a little bit later on the next money-making video. You guys take care. Don't forget to watch these videos up here. It'll help you make money as well. Alrighty, guys, I'll see you later. Take care. Bye-bye now.